I'm in Merutan. This is the way Merutan looks like. This is what street? But it's hot. Hot like, but not like Basel anyways, because my Basel is more hot than this place. So I'm walking along the streets of Merutan. This is where I was born. I know this looks like. I think I'm getting cold. My mom has cold, so she transmitted it to me. So I'm feeling to. But I forgot my cape. I want to buy a cape so that this sun is too hot. Even when I'm closing my eyes, I can walk every street. I was born here and I know each and every part of it. So let's buy a cape. I need to get a cape. I've gotten this one. It's too hot. So I forgot to carry my cape or my sunglasses. So I've gotten this one. I've left my mom somewhere, so I'm going. We are looking for something. See the machinery she's looking for dairy farming. So that's why I left her there. I went to inquire something. She told me she's not working again. So yeah, I'm going back to give her the feedback and you see how it goes. See if she can get the machinery. She's a dairy farmer and I'm following the path. Yeah, trying to be. I'm also one. Yesterday we had some lessons on the dairy farming. We went somewhere to learn more about the dairy farming. Yeah. From my previous video you will see. Now here, the machine that we have, it's complications. That's complication. So we've been using money for repairs. So we decided instead of always using money because we've been going to a loss, we take alternative. We get another one. So, huh? Ma? So in this shop is a machinery shop. We are looking for a chaff cutter because the other machine was not doing the job that we wanted. It was costing us so much because every time we repair, so we decided to get a new one. So we came here to get from this shop. It is the only shop in Merutan that sells the machines. Others are the Juakali, but we wanted the original one that will last for long. So this is the only shop that has the machine. So we are deciding on what to get, the one with 3 blades or the one with 2 blades, because there are 2 types. One with the 3 blades and the other one with 2 blades. So we are deciding on which one to get among the 2. So we came to a conclusion that we are getting the one with 2 blades. Yeah, because there are 2 types. One with 3 braids, the other one with 2. So we decided to get one with 2 braids because we are told the one with 2 braids is the one that chops the size that the cow can chew well. The one with the 3 braids, you understand that it chops very tiny ones. So, and the cow has to chew. So we didn't want those very tiny ones, but just the other size that it's comfortable for the cow to chew.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
got the machine, and here we are testing. It is doing a very good job. Yes, this is what we wanted, and we got it, and we are happy. My video ends here. Please subscribe, like and share, ring the notification bell. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below. See you in my next video. Bye.
Say